In this vlog, we will see how to code a grid view in Flutter. So in our previous tutorials, we have seen how to parse a list view from local data as well as from an API. So a list view and grid view, almost the way of implementation is similar, but the way they appear onto the UI is a different aspect. So here, let us see how the implementation of grid view is done. So here we are starting with a void main, inside which we are having my app extending a stateless widget. So here we are specifying the title, and thereafter we are extending a material app inside which we have provided title, and home we are extending with scaffold and app bar. All these things are considered to be a basics, and if you are having any queries in this, you may please refer to our previous tutorials on Flutter. You will get a good knowledge on it. And here we are starting a grid view implementation. We are providing two rows, and as you can see, grid view will have more than one row. In list view you will be having only one row, and in grid view you will be having two or more than two rows. So in this particular example, I want to deal with two rows, and you can just change this number if you want more than two rows. And here I am restricting my list up to 10 items only, and if you are having more than that, and generally whenever you are trying to populate a list view or grid view in a real time, you don't specify here like the number, you just specify the length or the size of the list view you are considering. So here if you want to have more than two rows, you can just edit it and try to see. Here we are having now three rows here. In the same way, you can have any number of rows in the grid view based upon your requirement. So we can again get back to two rows. So here, as it is a basic tutorial, I am restricting it to a 10 items, and here we are returning center. Here you can see why, because I want the entire grid view to be occupied in the center of the UI. So inside which we are considering a column having children, because we are having more than one widgets here. We are specifying an image network here, inside which we are loading images. So I have considered some default images, and here I am trying to increase, and here I am trying to update the number. So whenever the number counts increases, that particular image will be loaded. In the same way, in the text also we have just considered some index, and the text will be updated for every loop. So let us see the output. Here you can see the image and the text is being loaded, and here as we have made the count as 10, so it is restricted to up till 9 only, and we are not having any more after this. So if you want more than 10, just declare 100 and try to run it. So you can see we can get more than 10 here. So as we have provided it as 100 for the limit, it will stop at 99. So this particular grid is dynamically generated, so we are getting as many number of items as we are going to load them. So here again we are restricting the width and height of the image, and for the text there is no any restrictions, as the text size is limited by default. So this is how we implement a general grid view in the Flutter. And if you are having any queries in the implementation, do let us know in the comment section below, and also try to look at the list view and observe the similarities in between list view and grid view, so that you will understand it much better. And do subscribe to our channel for more interesting tutorials coming.